Hey, I've just received the joining kit of Walmart. Okay, let's see. Let's find out what's inside. So first of all, we have this brand new MacBook Pro. Oh, let's have a look. Oh my god, this looks so sleeky, slim, sleeky. And we have other accessories also with it. This is brand new. So yeah, keep that aside. Now we have a cooling pad. You can see this is pretty common. It is really useful. So yeah, good one. Then we have got this bag. Okay, and Walmart is written over it. So nice. What's inside in the bag? Is there anything? Let's find out. Okay, I have got one book on Sam Walton. So it's a good one. Then we have got one little pen from Walmart. Then we have this one, USB-C mobile adapter. This is used with this laptop, I guess. Yeah, this is also useful. So, is there anything? Let's find it. Okay. So we have this water bottle. So yeah, we can use it. Yeah. So I think that's pretty much of it. Okay. Bye.